The Breville Fast Slow Pro pressure cooker stands out for its ability to shift seamlessly between pressure and slow cooking, automatically tuning time, temperature, and pressure for consistently flavorful results. Its generous 6-quart capacity, paired with dual sensors that track heat from both the top and bottom, gives very even cooking and a lot of flexibility for soups, stews, grains, and tougher cuts of meat. The ceramic-coated cooking bowl is naturally non-stick, free of common chemical coatings, and attractive enough to bring straight to the table, while the removable lid makes cleanup surprisingly easy. A major advantage is the automatic steam release system, which chooses between quick, pulse, or natural release and vents hands-free so you are not leaning over a jet of steam. Safety feels well thought out, with sturdy stainless steel construction, a multi-point lid lock, and a silicone seal that is simple to remove and reseat after washing. The clear front display, multiple pressure levels, included stainless steel rack and steamer basket, and a useful starter recipe book make this cooker approachable for beginners, yet capable enough for experienced home cooks.